Hello all, thank you for joining. In this video we're going to be looking at condos, real estate data points for Santa Clara County within the first quarter of 2021. And for the sake of just kind of comparing quarter one, we'll be looking at also quarter one of 2019 and 2020 as well. This is going to be specific within Santa Clara County. This is MLS listings, predominantly where all of the transactions take place. So let's jump right into it. Santa Clara County. We'll add that there. Residential, and this is specific to condos. I do have other videos that pertain to townhouses and single family houses. So if you want to take a look at those, feel free to jump over. Let's rewind time. And there it is. Now we're going to be looking at several data points: median price, list price, sell price ratio, price per square foot, days on market to sell, or the time it takes, or when a property hits the market, time it takes for it to go pending, and then the other two components that involve inventory, which are new listings and sold listings. Jump over to median prices. We'll sort by month. We'll do a line graph here. Let's generate that. Okay, I'll zoom in here for you guys. For those of you that like looking at line graphs, there it is. Some of you guys may already know, I like looking at the numbers. Here we go. January of 2021. Average or median price here was $715. Kind of a slight increase to $747 in March of 2021. And it's kind of similar in 2020. Median price of $700 jumped to $726 at the end of March. And in 2019, looks like it pretty much the same almost as 2021 in terms of the percentage of it being lifted. At $717 and jumping to $750 for March of 2019. So let's take a look at the list price, sell price ratio here. Here we go. Here's the chart. It looks a little bit wonky, but as you could see, it is kind of like an annual trend. January, near January, the ratio decreases and it increases here. So let's look at the numbers. In January of 2021, if you're shopping for a condo, on average should be expecting to purchase a property at 0.3% less than list price. That number slowly increased to 1.1% more than list price. Pretty nominal number considering that these properties are priced a little less than the townhouse and single family house. In 2020, it looked like it was almost the same. Went from 99.2 to 101.8, and in 2019 that number barely moved. So that's the list price sell price ratio for Santa Clara County specific to condos. Let's take a look on how long it took to sell, or actually the price per square foot. Here's a chart. Looks kind of boring, or should I say monotone, which is good for some of you guys looking for condos, which is a good option to purchase your first house or investment house or something like that. Nothing wrong with that. I purchased a condo within my first purchase. Anyways, here we go. 2021 January, you're at $664 on average, and it's increased by almost $30, or $26 to $690. And in 2020, comparing it, it's actually a more substantial increase there. $67 increase from $640 to $707. 2019, it actually decreased. $681 increased to $712, and then decreased to $659 in March. Let's take a look at how fast these are selling. go. We'll do average. And here's the chart. Kind of similar year to year. 2021 on average took about 37 days to sell a condo in Santa Clara County. Slight decrease by 2 days to 35. And in 2020, that number is substantially different. 53 days on average in January, decreasing all the way to 24 days, less than half. And in 2019, you went from 52 days in January to 37. So it looks like 2021, people aren't revving up to buy these condos as quickly as previous years. Let's take a look at the inventories. How's that coming? Number of new listings for condos in Santa Clara County. Now it looks kind of similar trend for 2021 January. Started the year at 310 new listings. That's increased to 397 at the end of March. And in 2020, not so much of an increase. Actually pretty similar. From January to 237 to March at 236. And in 2019, there was a slight increase in comparison to 2021 from 231 in January to 275 in March. Now the sold listings gonna kind of reciprocate the new listings here. Here's the chart. Not so much of a usual trend here. In 2021, we had 167 sold listings, increased to 206 in February and 282 at the end of March. 2020 went from 139 to 204, so not so much of a substantial jump as 2021. And in 2019, it was, in terms of the percentage, kind of similar to 2021. Started off at 104, ended up at 176 sold listings for condos in Santa Clara County. Again, I have other videos that pertain to single family houses and townhouses. This one was for condos. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have anything specific you guys want me to take a look at, go ahead and ping me. And stay safe out there. Until then, adios.